So has the ministry all these years been taking you guys to all these tournaments?
No.
So then why would you expect them to do it now if they haven't done it?
Ithi ngimtshela uminister wesport loyi ekhona manje bekumele makafika as uminister abuze ukuthi ama fan what is going on asibize.
But I just want to get something straight so that we can. When you went to the World Cup, the Rugby World Cup, for instance, right?
Yes, ngicela ukukhuluma ngale tweet yanamhlanje. Angifuni ukukhuluma.
No, what I want to say, what I'm trying to understand, Mama Joy Guti, who paid for you to go there? Was it the sports ministry?
Ngithi mina ngiyacela ukuthi ngingakhulumi ngalento le. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngale World Cup ye football because football is me.
What I'm trying to understand, Mama Joy, is you're saying the sports ministry is not paying for fans, right? I get that.
Yes,
but what I'm trying to understand is, did the previous minister pay for you?
That's what he said. This one.
No, I'm asking you. Did the previous minister pay for you?
No.
So no ministry has ever paid for you.
He never paid for me.
So then, how do you?
Can I tell you something? When I go to the World Cup, the FIFA Women's World Cup, Banyana, it was for the first time they qualified, 2019. I have been sent by the president of country, Bo Ramaphosa, Cyril Ramaphosa, my president. He was the one who sent me there. And that time, Minister was a Minister Mthetho. So the
president personally called you and said, go?
Yes.
And took it like from his pocket, paid for you to go.
I asked him. He took it from his pocket because I asked him straight.
Okay.
Manje ngizwa bathi uminister uthi yena uzothumela ama support. But nge-sponsor, okay, it's fine. Now mina as uMama Joy, uyazi minister ukuthi mina anginayo i-club. So udoja mina, not about supporters.
Oh, Mama Joy, yeah, it's so crazy. Guys, Andile is laughing. I'm laughing too because this is so funny. So, South Africans took on Twitter. This is how it started. AFCON is coming up. Bafana will be playing. Oh, Mama Joy wants to go and attend. Obviously, she wants to attend as a super fan. And Minister Gaten said, asina imali ama-fans wonke umuntu uyi-super fan e-South Africa. If you want to go, you will need to make a plan. Go tell your man, he's rich, he's from Europe. We found you a man anyway in this free trip, so tell him to pay for you. Mama Joy says, listen, my man won't pay for a trip to go watch soccer. My man pays for romantic. My man pays for romantic trips. And then Gaten says, unfortunately, we don't have the budget so as a department, so therefore I again. And then Gaten goes to say, you know what? Ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele ngitshele wonke ama-club azikhethele bona abantu baba super fans kube umuntu consistent ongamisa any game. Therefore then they will bring names to me as the minister, then I will get the sponsors for the Mama Joy, what you see now, because I don't have a club now, so you want that ngobutocha. So this is what Mama Joy did. Mama Joy wayeke Orlando Pirates kufika uMamkhize. I think before kufika uMamkhize wamuvela kuMamkhize wahamba naye ke kwa right into kaMamkhize ke yaphela as she facing all these issues usesembabane elintuze. And so Mama Joy does not have a club, so we are floater basically. So if Minister Gaten then waka sports ethi ufuna ukwenza kanjalo kusho ukuthi still Mama Joy won't be able nominated by any club because she doesn't have a club. Bangeke bathi ke vele wena Mama Joy walandela ibhodi liconsayo, because when she left just because uMamkhize had money and the club was rich, so she was living large, she was going everywhere, and akazange ayibheke longevity of the club. You know, if you Orlando Pirates, she's good, she's better than starting to a new club. But and everyone so she didn't think something like this will actually happen and affect it. So yeah, but to Mama Joy feels very entitled to kumela hleze thola le ahahleze hamba yena why hleze hamba. She been traveling for years uze wathola indoda elentuze uze wathola indoda eEurope ehambiswa mahali. So uvalile kumpompo lentuzana uGettin Mackenzie, and Mama Joy is so not happy about it. Uyaxabana naye, uyamthuka, and for me personally I feel like even if minister want to turk her ukumhambisa, but ngeke amhambisa anyway because she's crazy right now with this day. So what do you think? Do you think Mama Joy should continue athole lama benefits okuhamba emidlalweni yaphesheya? Do you think kumele kwenzeke lokho, or do you think akushintshwa abantu komunye umuntu? What is a super fan? Abanye abantu bathi she's the face of South African football or games, therefore abantu bamrecognize her. And yeah, bueno ucabangani? Please, let's have a conversation.